bass and then I'ma get into screams and claps from the crowd that I be pleasing. I made this song for only one reason, making the crowd